I'm heading down to Teacher's Corner and we're gonna cut some wood today. We have run out of totes and we need to do it while the sun is shining and it's 70 degrees. If you're just joining us, my name is Jess and my husband, his name is Joe, and we are building an off-grid homestead. Welcome to American Roots.
Hi.
Hi.
You ready to split some wood?
I am, are you?
Yeah, so this will be the first time we fired it up.
Go ahead.
So, I checked the oil to make sure it had oil, and it does. And I put gas in it, but with the wind blowing, I got gas everywhere, so I wiped that up because it just kept blowing it all out. It was crazy. But, I think she's ready to start.
That didn't take us long.
No.
An hour.
Time is it?
So now we're gonna cut this log.
Yeah, I might pick it up with the skid steer so it's balanced. Because if I cut it anywhere on there, it could pinch the blade. I could cut this little one down here too, but I got those two other big ones. But I'll start with this big one. I was going to try and mill it into boards. I don't know if it's hickory. Can't really tell. It could be a cherry too, because it seems like that's all this has been is cherry. It's the same bark. No?
It smelled great when you were cutting it.
Yeah, it smelled like cherry. So maybe I cut that up first.
Okay.
Got it kind of balanced.
Are you just gonna keep it lifted with the skid steer while you cut it?
Yeah, I'll cut one side, the other. Should be safe.
Perfect.
Yeah, I've done this
Just
before.
be careful. You guys having a good time, sis?
Then I got these. Sis, be careful, don't go under there. Oh, couldn't do that one handed. You good? Woman? I got my mic on. Mic.
Check mic 1, 2. What is this?
The 5 foot with the roughneck business. You gotta keep it clean, you know what I mean?
Jelly bean.
Regulators, my mouth.
Ow.
Now that's funny.
we're done cutting the wood, Joe is gonna bring over a tote out of the skid steer, and he is gonna load it into the back of the truck. Then we can take it over to our friends and give it to them. And that is a force multiplier. It really helps having the ability to move these things with this, because the fork fell off. Move all that stuff out of the way. So these forks came off of the forklift that we bought Papa. So today was the first day that we used our new log splitter, and it absolutely was fantastic. I pull started it. I think I pulled it maybe 2 or 3 times and it started. Really, really big force multiplier. We're gonna put it away now because I think we're done with the wood for right now. So he's gonna load it up, push it over here. I don't think so. I don't think we put ramps up. Come on, Murph. Go down.
Oh.
That's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, we hope that this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.